Hello kids! Today we will learn colors name and how to write alphabets from A to Z. Orange color A. A for anchor. A for ant. Black color B. B for bread. B for bird. Light pink color C. C for cake. C for cat. Red color D. D for door. D for dolphin. Light green color E. E for earth. E for eagle. Dark green color F. F for fork. F for friend. Sky blue color G. G for gorilla. G for guitar. Yellow color H. H for hat. H for hen. Brown color I. I for igloo. I for injection. Dark pink color J. J for jar. J for jellyfish. Dark blue color K. K for kitten. K for kiwi. Orange color L. L for ladder. L for lotus. Black color M. M for moon. M for monkey. Light pink color N. N for number. N for nest. Red color O. O for off. O for orange. Light green color P. P for pan. P for peacock. Dark green color Q. Q for question. Q for quick. sky blue color. R. R for rose. R for rooster. Yellow color. S. S for snowman. S for skirt. Brown color. T. T for tiger. T for teddy bear. Dark pink color. U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. Dark blue color. V. V for violin. V for vegetable. Orange color. W. W for watch. W for walrus. Black color. X. X for Xerox. X for xylophone. Light pink color. Y. Y for yak. Y for yogurt. Red color. Z. Z for zero. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's revise again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.